Hello, please don't scroll, please. This is important. There are videos circulating the internet of a girl killing her puppy and lighting a cat on fire and tons of stuff like that. Only a few people have been able to see these videos since they have gotten taken down. Unfortunately, I'm one of these few people. This girl has tons of Instagram accounts and right now a TikTok account as well. She is torturing and killing poor innocent animals. So, to stop this, I wanted to start something. Please screenshot this picture that I have right here and use it as your profile picture. This is not one of those stupid TikTok cults. I'm building an army. Please spread the word.
Likey